Well, today's going to be an interesting day. We have two giant beams that need to go get set today. The crane's going to be there in an hour and a half, so I'm going to beat them there, but it's raining and wet, and yeah, I just hope. Well, we're getting these beams up to the job site here up in the hills. Yeah, they're pretty big. Well, it's still raining. We got the beams on site, and the crane just showed up. So this should be fun. We gotta set them from here over into the garage. Yeah. Here we go, flying more steel. Got the first one sitting where it needs to be. There we go. Well, they're sitting where they need to be. We didn't weld them in because it's just pouring rain, but they're kind of tied together and clamped up until we can get the cross member built and get back here in the morning and weld them in. But there they are. Getting the columns welded to beams. Gonna put a header in. Yeah, beautiful day. Yesterday it was pouring out here. Had to leave the beams clamped to the columns overnight, which is a little sketchy.
Definitely not doing that with you.
Heck yeah, what a beautiful day. We're gonna get some decking put on. This is our third structural steel job. It's gonna be a garage, and today we're decking. Oh, the decking's going on. Dylan's getting that tar stuff put on the edge, and we're puddle welding the decking on to the beam right now. There we go. Getting the decking wrapped up here.